diri.
Nongïalam ka Liang Pyrshah Dr. Mukul Sangma ong baka Jingthung kam ya ke MP Berim Jong Tura ke agataki Sangma kum ke Chairperson Jong State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Kadai ke benta ke bepen pau syai ke dar bagi sorka jela ke aila Tyngeh laki Jong ki bahiyang sem bat ka baya sya Liang. Da ke bekentu ki pat ba ban pej hi dalade ki lat ki kabu ki bebon jaj. Bala ai na kitnat sorka repair bat ki wei na kini kadai ke na kitnat pulen. Nongïalam ke Liang Pyrshah ong ba sadawai ke Jingthung Jong State Security Commission bahkan itu no ke jing penbijai ai ke pisah sorkar da ke pendon kam bakla ia ki pulit.
Nepotism, favoritism with which they have been running this government with complete sense of impunity. Now, it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. It goes beyond. It doesn't end in the notified person facilities which are eligible for those incumbent political appointees. No, it goes beyond that. You go and see for yourself of various other privileges and facilities from different line departments which are being provided to them. One is the police department, okay? One is the police department. I will be demanding for a State Security Commission meeting to take cognizance of this unnecessary wastage of money from public exchequer by misusing the police authorities.